Why most cars die before 160,000 km, while others pass 1 million easily. Most cars never make it past 160,000 kilometers, while others roll past 1 million like it's nothing. That's not luck. That's habit. Today, I'm revealing the 19 Japanese driving and maintenance habits that helped my car reach over 1 million kilometers without ever opening the engine. But be warned. Ignore even one of these habits, and you could throw thousands of euros straight into the garbage. And stay until the end, because the final habit takes just 1 second and could save you up to 25,000 euros in repairs. Let's begin. Habit number 19. Follow the 5,000 kilometers oil rule. An oil change is not a luxury. It's life support for your engine. Ignoring it is basically an execution. I've opened engines that followed the dealership's 10,000 kilometers intervals, and what I found was horrifying. A thick oil sludge, clogged oil passages, scratched camshafts, metal were everywhere. That's not maintenance. That's laziness disguised as saving money. Manufacturers don't care if your car lasts 300,000 kilometers. They just want it to survive until the warranty ends. The truth, oil starts degrading far earlier than you think, especially with a short trips cold starts a stop-and-go traffic. The real rule: change oil every 5,000 kilometers with synthetic oil or every 3,000 kilometers with mineral oil. Yes, it costs money. But 250 euros now is better than 12,000 euros later for a dead engine. Use quality filters. Check your oil level monthly. Never trust cheap barrel oil. Oil is the blood of your engine. Keep it clean, or be ready to suffer. Habit number 18. Don't let your engine idle to warm up. Letting your car idle for 10 minutes before driving is not protecting it. It's slowly killing it. After 30 seconds, unburned fuel starts washing the oil off cylinder walls. This causes oil dilution, a cylinder wear, loss of compression, piston damage. Want to warm up your engine correctly? Start the car. Wait 30 seconds. Then drive gently for the first 2 kilometers. Driving warms the oil 8x faster than idling. You protect the engine. Save fuel. And stop annoying your neighbors with cold exhaust noise. Habit number 17. Use high-quality spark plugs. Spark plugs are cheap. Engines are not. Some people install plugs once and forget about them forever. That's deadly. Yes, some are rated for 100,000 kilometers, but that's under perfect laboratory conditions. Real life destroys them faster. Worn plugs can cause misfires, a coil failure, a rough idle, piston damage, catalytic converter destruction. Start checking them after 60,000 kilometers, especially in direct injection engines. Use trusted brands: NGK, Denso, Bosch, Motorcraft, Acdelco. Stay away from cheap no-name plugs. Good spark plugs equals smooth engine plus long life. Habit number 16. Check your engine mounts. Your engine isn't sitting still. It twists, vibrates, and moves every time you touch the gas. And only one thing holds it in place: the engine mounts. When they fail, your whole car starts damaging itself. I once ignored a knocking noise. 2 weeks later, my car vibrated like a jackhammer. The mount was torn, almost damaging the exhaust and transmission. Simple test: press brake, shift to drive, rev to 2,000 revolutions per minute. If the engine lifts more than 2.5 centimeters, the mount is finished. Replace early. Save thousands. Habit number 15. Change transmission fluid regularly. People only think about the transmission when it starts slipping. By then, it's already dead. Transmission fluid looks fine, but inside, it's full of metal shavings, clutch dust, burnt particles. Change it every 60,000 kilometers or 6 years. Hybrids, up to 90,000 kilometers max. Never ignore the correct fluid type: Toyota WS, Honda DW, 1 ATF SP, 4, etc. A healthy transmission means smooth shifts and long life. Habit number 14. Follow the 1/4 tank rule. Driving on empty is not smart. The fuel pump is cooled by gasoline itself. Low fuel equals overheated pump. I've seen pumps die before 130,000 kilometers just because of this. Also, low fuel stirs up dirt and sediment, clogging injectors. Rule: never let fuel go below 1/4. You double pump life instantly. Habit number 13. Stop after the first click while refueling. That extra squeeze after the first click? It's destroying your EVAP system. Liquid fuel enters the charcoal canister. Destroys sensors. Ruins valves. Repair costs 2,000 to 5,000 euros. When the pump clicks, stop. close, leave, done. Habit number 12. Change coolant before the engine overheats. Coolant isn't just colored water. It's your engine's thermal shield. Over time, it loses corrosion protection. It starts destroying from the inside. Change coolant every 3 to 5 years or 80,000 kilometers. Never mix colors. Use only what your manual recommends. Habit number 11. Fix coolant leaks immediately. Coolant doesn't disappear by magic. If you keep refilling, something is leaking. A tiny leak can destroy your head gasket without leaving a single puddle. Do a pressure test. Fix leaks before they kill your engine. Habit number 10. Brake smarter. Hard braking destroys brakes faster than you think. It overheats rotors to over 600 degrees Celsius. Solution: brake early. Use engine braking. Drive smoother. Your brakes will last twice as long. Habit number 9. Change brake fluid. Brake fluid absorbs moisture. Wet fluid equals boiling fluid equals no brakes. Change every 2 years or 40,000 kilometers. It protects your braking system and your life. Habit number 8. Always use the handbrake. P is not enough. It stresses the parking pole inside the transmission. Always handbrake first, then shift to P. This habit alone can save your gearbox. Habit number 7. Remove excess weight. Extra weight destroys suspension, brakes, tires, alignment. 50 kilograms of extra weight equals 500 kilograms of braking force. Clean your trunk. Remove unused roof racks. Carry only what you need. Less weight equals longer life. Habit number 6. Wash the underside. Most people polish the paint, but ignore the frame that holds the car. Dirt, salt, moisture cause rust. Wash underneath regularly, especially in rainy or salty areas. Rust destroys brakes, fuel lines, frames. Habit number 5. Never ignore noises. Every sound is a warning. Squeak, belt click, CV joint knock, engine wear. Ignore it, and you double the damage. Habit number 4. Clean battery terminals. Corrosion causes weak starting and electronic failures. Clean them every few months using a baking soda plus water battery cleaner. A $30 cleaning can save an $800 repair. Habit number 3. Change your gas cap. This tiny part seals your fuel system. A bad one causes a check engine light, fuel inefficiency, evap faults. Replace it every 5 years. Cheap part. Big protection. Habit number 2. Question urgent repair estimates. You go in for oil. They give you a €6,000 bill. Always ask for photos, get a second opinion, never rush. Many urgent repairs are just sales tactics. Habit number 1. Don't blindly trust factory service intervals. Manufacturers care about warranty, not longevity. If you drive in hard conditions, oil every 5 to 8K transmission, 60K coolant, 3 to 5 years. Use your brain, not marketing. Cars don't die early. They're killed by neglect. Bonus habit: use the right fuel injector cleaner. Most additives are scams. Only one chemical is proven: PEA, polyethyramine. Use trusted brands: a Chevron Techron, a Redline SI1, a Gumout, a Royal Purple, Lucas Deep Clean. Think of it as brushing your engine's teeth. Wrong product equals blank check to the repair shop.